Speed Senior, mga bro.
Rititit! Guys, I don't know.
That's my bro.
Hello, Nathan. Put your foot down ba?
Tignan mo, guys. Nerd.
Uy! Good bag.
Nerd clusters. Name a country starting with S.
Singapore.
Syria, Singapore, South Sudan.
Slytherin.
What else? Sudan.
Agay, I bit my tongue. Agay.
Hi, Kuya D.
Hi, Kuya D.
Questions. Let's answer the questions.
Where?
Here.
Oh, iba yung una dun ah.
Where? Hi, Kai. Nag-aaral ka po ba? Yes po. Would you date if kayo... Who would you date if kayo lang ng ututin sa world? We already answered. We already asked this question inside the house.
Yeah. You didn't answer that.
I didn't answer?
Yeah.
Yeah, because, hello, secret lang. Wala talaga akong answer.
Oh, that scared me.
Answer. I answer. You ask questions. You see this? Hindi po. Hindi po.
Okay, read.
Hi, Homer. Hi, Nathan. Homer! What's up, Homer? I miss you.
Ba, you so loud talaga.
Ate Pat!
Ate Pat!
Hi, Ate Pat. Nagmana.
Ah, maganda pa, pero ang ingay ngumuya.
Who's your favorite couple? My favorite person is Spam. Oh damn.
Da.
It's not a dog.
Da. Oh my god.
Dalawa kasi ang Central Visayas ni Isabel.
Cebu po.
Rititit.
Big senior. Big senior.
Uy, ito yung birthday daw oh.
Happy birthday po. What?
Stop chewing like a kanding.
Wait.
Stop eating that.
Whoever gave these, God bless you. It's so good.
That's
My
mine.
favorite.
Hey.
Give it to me.
Ano naman tayo?
It's
Guam.
Guam.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Capital G.
Hunter was a former Cebu. Tapos, siya yung marketing manager now.
Shout out po. Guys, sa mga taga Cebu dira, ato mong SM niya.
Yeah.
Sing with me.
Excuse me.
Sing with me din kasi konti lang lines na alam ko. Bato balang
Di sa guma.
Hey.
What's the next line, babe?
Nakanimo ng ilaga.
Wow!
Duh, best na good ko.
Shut up, you never...
Hello, Team Kai. Kai mates.
Hindi po, Manila pa.
Manila pa po. Pwede pa kiss. You make Trisandra proud.
Stop it, Nathan. You see Nathan's face?
No.
So, minsan, pag yung point natin yung
Hi.
science,
Hi po.
magkalaban yun.
Karen in Canada. Canada. When? Shout out Jillian. Jillian.
Oh, hi, Jelly. So crazy. She's like a connection.
I know, right? Nagpahinga na ba kayo? Like,
Like,
happy birthday. Juice Annie.
what?
Juice Annie.
Thank you for waiting. Philippine Airlines Flight PR2853, bound Tarmactan, Cebu, Smyrna, Sunset, passengers for boarding
That's awesome.
through gate number 12.
You have to end the live now.
Bye-bye, guys.
Philippine Airlines Flight PR2853, bound
Bye-bye.
Tarmactan, Cebu, is now ready to accept
Homer,
passengers
let's play
for
badminton
boarding
when we get
through
there.
gate number 12.
She's lying. She can go.
I can't go. I miss Homer though. Bye-bye, guys.